Welcome to Practice Easy English. Formal versus informal words in English. Help. Can you help me with this task? Assist. Could you assist me with this task? Tell. She told me about the changes. Inform. She informed me about the changes. Buy. I need to buy a new phone. Purchase. I need to purchase a new phone. Ask. I asked for help. Request. I requested help. Start. The meeting will start at 10 a.m. Commence. The meeting will commence at 10 a.m. End. We should end this discussion. Conclude. We should conclude this discussion. Need. I need some help with this project. Require. I require some assistance with this project. Give. Please give me your feedback. Provide. Please provide your feedback. Think. I think we should go ahead. Consider. I consider we should proceed. Find out. I found out the answer. Discover. I discovered the answer. Leave. I'll leave in the morning. Depart. I will depart in the morning. Go up. Prices are going up. Increase. Prices are increasing. Go down. Prices are going down. Decrease. Prices are decreasing. Show. He showed me how to do it. Demonstrate. He demonstrated how to do it. Give up. She gave up her position. Relinquish. She relinquished her position. Get. I need to get a new ID card. Obtain. I need to obtain a new ID card. Talk about. We talked about the issue. Discuss. We discussed the issue. Ask for. He asked for donations. Solicit. He solicited donations. Get rid of. We need to get rid of these old files. Eliminate. We need to eliminate these outdated files. Make sure. I'll make sure everything is ready. Ensure. I will ensure everything is ready. Look into. We'll look into the problem. Investigate. We will investigate the issue. Think about. I'll think about it. Contemplate. I will contemplate it. Put off. Let's put off the meeting. Postpone. Let's postpone the meeting. Speed up. We need to speed up the process. Accelerate. We need to accelerate the process. Cut down. We need to cut down our expenses. Reduce. We need to reduce our expenses. Show up. He didn't show up to the event. Appear. He did not appear at the event. Break down. The machine broke down. Malfunction. The machine malfunctioned. Give back. I'll give back the book tomorrow. Return. I will return the book tomorrow. Let go. He finally let go of his anger. Release. He finally released his anger.